A big thanks to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. Now, I don't want to be that guy to remind you, but your website probably needs to be updated. Heck, if you don't even have a website, probably now is a good time to get started. I've been using Squarespace for my own business for a long time, way before I even started a YouTube channel. And they make it really easy to get started with their customizable templates. And if you're a business owner or a self-employed content creator like yours truly, running your online store and business through Squarespace is incredibly intuitive and practical. I'm able to keep everything that I do regarding my portfolio, my preset store, blog, contact form, and even invoices all within my Squarespace website. If you're interested in getting started with Squarespace, you can get a free trial by visiting squarespace.com/Faisal. Use the code Faisal to get 10% off your first purchase.